Hi, this is Jacob Lester from Cable Dahmer Cadillac of Kansas City. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2018 Ford F-150 Raptor. This truck is super clean, got BF Goodwrench, all-terrain tires. This truck's got just over 12,000 miles on it. This truck's also going to come with our 5-year unlimited mileage powertrain warranty. This truck also comes with a ton of auxiliary options that you can hook up for lights or anything that you feel like you might want to hook up to it. This truck's going to get you through any sort of mud, dirt, sand, anything that you could possibly take it through. It also comes with the Line-X bed liner in it. Tons of room in the back seat of these Fords. Got the panoramic sunroof as well for the kids riding in the back. If this is something that you're interested in or you want to know more about it, feel free to reach out to, again, my name is Jacob Lester at Cable Dahmer Cadillac.